Major Ramaswamy Parameswaran was given the nation's highest gallantry award, Paramveer Chakra, for his cold courage, indomitable fighting spirit, and supreme sacrifice. Not the lack of fear, but the ability to move forward in spite of fear. Today I am going to talk about one of the Paramveer Chakra recipient, Major Ramaswamy Parameswaran. Major Ramaswamy Parameswaran was born on 13 September 1946 in Bombay, Maharashtra. Son of Mr. K.S. Ramaswamy and Mrs. Janki, he completed his schooling from South Indian Education Society High School, Mumbai in 1963. He then went on to do his graduation in science from SIES College in 1968. He later joined the Officers Training Academy in Chennai and passed out on 16th June 1972. He was commissioned into 15 Mahar of the famed Mahar Regiment of Indian Army and served there for 8 years. In 1981, Major Parameswaran got married to Mrs. Uma, who was a poet and a writer, and started his happy married life. He later transferred to serve with 5 Mahar Battalion in 1983. During his service with 15 Mahar and 5 Mahar battalions, Major Parameswaran took part in a number of counter-insurgency operations in Northeast region and soon earned a reputation for possessing steely resolve and unfaltering leadership skills. Affectionately called Paddy Sahib by his men, Major Parameswaran was always at the forefront during the challenging missions undertaken by his unit. When Operation Pavan was launched, Major Parameswaran was handpicked to serve with 8 Mahar Battalion, one of the first units to land in Sri Lanka in 1987. Major Parameswaran's unit was part of 54 Infantry Division that was tasked to oversee the implementation of Indo-Sri Lanka Accord signed on 29 July 1987. After the induction of Indian forces in August 1987, the militants were supposed to surrender, but the dreaded LTT backed out and unleashed war on Indian forces. On 25th November 1987, when Major Ramaswamy Parameswaran was returning from search operation in Sri Lanka, late at night his column was ambushed by a group of militants. With cool presence of mind, he encircled the militants from the rear and charged into them, taking them complete surprise. During hand-to-hand combat, a militant shot him in chest. Undaunted, Major Parameswaran snatched the rifle from the militant and shot him dead. Gravely wounded, he continued to give orders and inspired his command till breathed his last. 5 militants were killed and 3 rifles and 2 rocket launchers were recovered, and the ambush was cleared. Major Ramaswamy displayed the most conspicuous gallantry and throughout nothing of dying at his post. Major Ramaswamy Parameswaran was given the nation's highest gallantry award, Paramveer Chakra, for his cold courage, indomitable fighting spirit, and supreme sacrifice. He became the sole recipient of Paramveer Chakra award from the IPKF operation in Sri Lanka and the first from OTA Chennai to get this coveted award. Thank you, gentlemen.